That's our score, ladies and gentlemen. 16 to 12 here in set number 4. LaSalle still not giving up the ship here. Ito pa rin po si Noel Zarate alongside Noreen Go and Rina Villamor.
Well, you know, defense in this match has been excellent. Really a level above the other matches that we've covered or we've seen.
Captain Benting on the sharp serve. Gonzaga. That injury really slowed her down. Soriano. Orendain. Oh, wound that up.
Good save by Laborte.
Bautista. Hingpit. Orendain again.
There you go, Patty Orendain getting into the scoring act as well.
Oh, she needs to produce. This is usually the time when Orendain scores most of her points. Sets number 3 or set number 4, depending on where they are. Hingpit. Soriano, yes. Soriano's actually been the steadiest of all of them. Bautista's been quiet. Laborte has been quiet. Benting sporadic.
That's right. And you know, it's really hard to block a person like Soriano because her hang time and her quickness is really one of a kind.
Laborte. Maizo attacking. Oh, Bautista was ready. Bautista, you cannot be ready for something like that.
You can never be ready.
You can never be ready. 18 to 13. And because Mikasa NBA 300 is the official game ball of the Shakey's B-League Season 8, more intense rallies and more thrills with the Mikasa NBA 300. Orendain on the other side this time. Makatuno for Soriano. Off the block. Maizo. Orendain off the block again. Vasquez is there. Laborte. Oh! Ahead of Hingpit. Oh. 19-16. Here comes Adamson, and this will be the last timeout of Roger Banzuela in this match, unless we go to a 5th set.
Ulit ka mo sa depensa. Kaya mo tanan ka katombo. Laway ka gaprito. Ano ba na yung barko sa block? Hindi mo ang block yung weight. Hindi na sila maghanap dito sa block. So ang block nyo, yung weight nyo sa side.
Adamson is 6 points away from a trip to the finals. St. LaSalle is 6 points behind them. And look at this crowd that's gathered here.
That's right, a very nice crowd we have.
Right. Usually see this crowd for basketball. Sometimes even no. Hingpit, Gonzaga. And finally, Gonzaga scores her first point of the 4th set. That injury really slowed her down.
That's why you can see her walk. You know, she's really limping. So, hats off for an athlete who plays with a lot of heart, playing injured because she's needed.
Laborte, helped out by the net there to St. LaSalle. Orendain, Makatuno. Soriano oversets that one. Here's Maizo. Makatuno gets to it. Benting. Hingpit. Orendain. Makatuno for Bautista. Saved by Gonzaga. Oh, double touch. That's the second time it's called on Hingpit. The lead is up to 6 now.
That's right. At 6 points, it's actually a luxury already.
And now, Pao Soriano on the serve. Another point here for St. LaSalle. So they're just not giving up yet. $20 to 15. Orendain. Vasquez. Makatuno. Combination. Bautista gets through.
Good play by Adamson, stemming from a good reception.
And our first look at Janice Dolar, who has been relegated to the bench. Now Aplaska will sit down.
She's actually started a lot of matches.
Yeah, she started all the matches until now. Bautista on the serve. Orendain, Hingpit, Danila. And Danila, I don't know if Benting can get to this one. So Danila again, providing the spark off the bench, scoring once again. Lead down to 5. Aiza Maizo no longer in front. Adamson Supana take it down right here.
That's right. And that previous rotation with Aiza Maizo in front, they weren't able to capitalize on that.
Too near the net. And it looks like an overreaching violation here against Angela Benting.
Well, the net, the set was exactly aimed at the blocker's hand,
Right.
so nothing she can do about
Ay,
it.
malapit pa to, down to 4.
Joanna, balik.
Maizo misses everything. 3 points away from a seat in the finals. Laporte. Hingpit. Danila, 2 points away from a seat in the finals. Two points away from a seat in the finals.
You know, the turning point here really was that injury of Gonzaga.
Yeah.
But the momentum was there. Paakyat na sila.
Danila attacking long. Makatuno. Oh, Benting had to adjust, but she still gets the point. Match point. Finals point now for Adamson.
Well, LaSalle crumbling again once again here at the end of set.
Hingpit. Danila. Benting gets it across. Hingpit. Danila again. Basket on her knees. Making the save. Danila. Bautista. Benting. Hingpit. Danila. Bautista. Makatuno. Benting. And Adamson puts the first seed in the finals where they will face either NU or Ateneo. But what a good showing by St. LaSalle, winning a set over Adamson. Could have won the first set as well. Let's take a look at our shaky shake in play. Combination of good play and good fortune for the Adamson Lady Falcons to book the first final seat. And Rina Villamor is now with our Shakey's player of the game.
That's right, and that is no other than Miss Pao Soriano. First of all, congratulations for making it to the finals. Now, meron ba kayong gustong makalaban dito sa finals natin? At ano pa ba yung gagawin nyo para mas mapatibay ang team nyo?
Honestly po, kahit po sino sa kanila, okay lang sa amin. Siguro po mag-improve kami doon sa receive saka depensa. Meron po kasing time na nawawala kami sa receive saka sa depensa. So, nahirapan kami makapag-transition eh. Ayun po.
Alright, at syempre, good luck sa finals. Pero ito muna, ang ating Shakey's representative para ibigay sa ang iyong best player prize. Syempre, ito na ang pinakaabangan mo. Sabi mo kanina, may mga gusto kang batiin at pasalamatan. Sino-sino sila?
First of all po, binabati ko po yung lahat ng fans ko, lahat ng sumusuporta sa Adamson Lady Falcons, and sa TMC family po. Yan lang.
Alright, thank you again, Pao Soriano. Congratulations again to the Lady Falcons. I'll turn you back to Noel and Noreen.
So Adamson is in the finals, folks. Who will they face? Will it be Ateneo or NU? Find out next time when we bring you the action right here on the Shakey's B-League. On behalf of our interviewer, Rina Villamor, and my partner, Noreen Go. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam. It's contagious. What a drop ball.
That's what teamwork can do for you.
Running attack. Oh, she finds it.
That was a bullet. Ang bilis.
The other position. Dumping it in.
Excellent read from the defense.
Yes.